Hello, hola, ciao, what is good? I'm Kelly Paratelli, and I'm back at it again traveling. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for your time and energy today. And I'm reporting directly from San Francisco, and I'm at the famous Alamo Square, McAllister Park. That is seen in the Full House movies, or Full House show, I'm sorry, that is seen in the Full House TV show and a lot of famous iconic movies. It's a super famous touristy spot in San Francisco, and it looks out with a view over the entire city of the San Francisco Bay Area. As you can see behind me, it's a beautiful day. The weather is like high 60s, kind of cloudy. It's 10 to 15 degrees cooler here than it is in the outskirts where Oakland is, and Fremont, where my friend lives, that's generously allowing me to stay with her. I'm super excited. It's August 2024 to have a friend to allow me to stay with her and not have to pay for hotels or Airbnbs. That's a good way to save money traveling. She allowed me to use her car and drive into the city with a hybrid vehicle that's good on gas, because gas is super expensive here in California compared to Michigan where I live. I'm using my Costco membership to save money on gas, and they do have those here and they work nationwide. I'm just kind of walking around, getting a feel for the city, experiencing driving in it, checking out some of the tourist spots. Parking is expensive, everything's more expensive here, so stay tuned for more tips and tricks on how to travel on a budget here on the West Coast side. But yeah, it is considerably cooler, so you might want to bring a hoodie or a coat than it is in the outskirts of the city. You know, we're near the Pacific Ocean here in the San Francisco Bay Area. The wind from the ocean and everything comes in a pretty cool breeze. So that is one of the things they tell you to plan for when you travel here. But it is a beautiful day. This is the famous picture, the iconic picture of San Francisco, of these famous houses up on these hills here, looking out over the city, and it's a really beautiful day. Stay tuned for more San Francisco videos. Peace, love, and respect. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao.